Mars, aka the Red Planet, is the most hospitable to life, of course with the exception of Earth. Same seasons but twice longer than on Earth. Also, the land mass of Mars is quite similar to Earth. But before we going to Mars, the best thing we should do is to make sure that the conditions on Mars are suitable for humans. It's terraforming, transforming a planet to support human lives. Turns out, we might be able to make Mars habitable for humans with a few centuries worth of effort. But it would be really hard. First, Mars needs an Earth-like atmosphere. Basically, we need to start a massive global warming effect. There's two possible ways to do that. First, build factories that turn carbon, fluorine, and sulfur in the Martian soil into greenhouse gases and pump them into atmosphere. Second, build giant mirrors in space that will reflect sunlight onto the Martian ice caps, raising the temperature and releasing that carbon dioxide. But the biggest problem in terraforming is bringing back the magnetosphere by melting up the Mars core. Actually, there's an alternative way to prevent the radiations by build a giant force field, kind of a protective magnetic field for the planet which is blocking the solar wind from the sun that only coming from one direction. The concept is by putting a field generating device about 1,000,000 kilometers from Mars. But it will need many centuries for terraforming can change the Mars condition. In that time, we could also build human colonization by making anti-radiation building and using algae and lichen to produce oxygen, also growing some plants that can produce food. So, let's start colonizing Mars